Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all you have to do is just go to Google Play. Here we have Temu buy as a millionaire. I have here over there $100 million as you can see. You can just click over install and install Temu and you get started with Temu. Also you can do other option which is dive into Temu.com by open your web browser and just do that. So this is the homepage as you can see. So this is Temu. So what is Temu? Temu is a great platform for you by leveraging its user-friendly features. You can freeze all products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profit. So if you want to become a affiliate program, all I have to do is reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So you can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on this link and you get $100 and you will buy whatever you want. So if you scrolling down here and we click over affiliate and influencer and you will find this page here. As you can see, affiliate influencer program. About this one we have a various information. Like first thing we have earn commission here with Temu affiliate and influencer. Earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Try now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. We have here click over get started and that's it how it works with this one. And then we have also other information here, high commissions, exclusive sale price, trusted brand, and other things. Then we have empowering affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile. We have here authorized influencers. As a user authorized through our platform enjoy a range of benefits including we have here 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a world of credits for additional perks. Then we have your user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. Then we have here websites. As a registered website, affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform, high commission rates, benefits from generous commission rates on orders. Then we have tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. We have here over than 300,000 people have joined us, and if we scroll down, we have here activities with rich rewards for all affiliates. We have here referral extra rewards and you have the affiliate extra rewards. About this one we have here $100 coupon bundle. New app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. When you have your free gifts, your app users maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from the Temu. About affiliate extra rewards, here we have they win $10,000 here bonus, and per week earn we have 3,000 bonus dollars. And if you scroll down, we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. We have the first thing, it's join analyzed and hour-driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have a share. Just strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high-quality products. Then we have the last step, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. And this is how it works. Right now, I will give you how you can share your link using TikTok, Pinterest, and Reddit, and we have Instagram and YouTube. So let's move into the first one. So to earn money on Temu or TikTok, you have just to start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxings, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your link and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. And this is how it works with TikTok. And right now, let's move on to the next one, which is Pinterest. So to make money on Temu or Pinterest, you can just create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. And this is how it works with Pinterest. So right now let's move to the next one. We have Reddit. So about Reddit, we have here to earn money on Reddit, you can just join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link, following subreddits rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights, use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks, post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. And the last one we have Instagram and YouTube. So to earn money on Temu or Instagram and YouTube, you have just to start by creating engaging content that showcase popular on products. So on Instagram, you can just post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. And on YouTube, you can just create unboxing videos, reviews, or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility, engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So, leveraging a platform like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through email by creating engaging and informative content and highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. So I hope this video has made the process clear and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business types tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.